my knees, and I'm saying,
my men went for shopping. They just came back, and here are all the products. Not sure what I have here, but I'm gonna be checking it right now. I have icing sugar, I have some plant-based protein here, popcorn, tomatoes, flowers from my son, lettuce, I'm not sure what's that. Oh, it's chips, tortilla, brown sugar, frozen popcorn. Here we have when vegan grounds go on sale, we should buy a few packs so then I can create some recipes or some burgers for the boys. They love vegan grounds. Here I have some sprinkles, candy sprinkles. Unfortunately, it's not organic. It's our first time buying it. My sister-in-law always buy for us organic products, but it's very far from us. I see they bought a few types of chips, so we have a few types and many packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Not sure what to make with it. I think I bought it once long time ago, but I have no idea what should I create. Maybe some dish with it, but I have no idea. If you have, let me know. That's it? Done singing? So I had here 2 cans, one for trash and one for compost. One was here all the time on the counter like this, and the second one here, I was holding it here on the floor, and it was disturbing. And so the short story, I didn't like it after a while, so I decided to buy something else, something new, and I put it here. So this is the one, and this is the second one. This is the one I ordered from Amazon that I showed you before when I opened the box. So here's the one, here's the second, and it's very, very comfortable for me. So on this counter I can chop and do my things. It's very soft, so I'm gonna try to fry it as it is, and hopefully it's not gonna crumble. Well, making for something to eat. Richard is feeding me oranges.
Really?
That's how Jonathan washes the dishes.
What?
That's how you wash the dishes, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you allowed?
Actually, do it out of interest, not out of obligation.
Going for a walk. The weather is now, I think, +3.
hand me down.